Hi friends, welcome to Asian Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a portable rechargeable lamp for your car. So this type of product is available online and you could able to purchase it at rupees 500 to 600 rupees. But in this video I will show you how you could able to build this type of rechargeable lamp at only rupees 100. So without wasting any time, let's see how could we able to make this type of lamp and how easy is it built part. So let's start the project. So friend, I have 3D printed all the parts. You can see the base part, the top part, the power button part, and after that I have also 3D printed the top glass part. You can see it here, friend. So now I will assemble the internal circuit, the battery and the charging unit. So this type of light is available in the market, and with the circuit it will cost you around 30 rupees. So I have installed, and now I am installing the power switch. So after assembling the light part, the circuit part and the top cover, 50% is completed. Now I will install the battery unit and the charging circuit. The charging circuit will cost you around 20 rupees and the battery will cost you around 40 rupees. So now I have connected the circuit with the battery and you can see it is working. So after assembling, it will look like this, and this type of unit is very portable and you could able to use this type of unit for your car interior to illuminate the boot space or for any maintenance activity in your bonnet area or even inside the car. So you can see the build part is almost completed, and when you will charge it, a red indicator will glow, and after completing the charge a blue indicator will glow. So let's see. You can see when I am charging, a red indicator is glowing. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe SND Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscribers. Thank you.